Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Salahuddin, and today I am going to talk about gastritis. In previous lecture, we have already studied about Vincent gingivitis. So today I am going to talk about gastritis. First of all, I will introduce gastritis. So gastritis is the inflammation of stomach gastric mucosa. Before discussing the gastritis, we should know about the layers of stomach. So there are three layers of stomach, which one of them is mucosa, which is the innermost layer. So mucosa, for example, this is mucosa of the stomach. This mucosa layer contain gastric gland, and also there is a finger-like structure here in mucosa, which are called gastric pits. In gastric pits, there are many types of glands are present. So the gastritis is the inflammation of stomach gastric mucosa. On the basis of causes, there are three types of gastritis. First one is NSAIDs-induced gastritis, and the second one is stress-induced gastritis. The third one is H. pylori-induced gastritis. So, first of all, I am going to discuss about NSAIDs-induced gastritis. So, what is NSAIDs? NSAID is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs which have three major functions. NSAID have three major functions, which are also inflammatory, which work in inflammation, also antipyretic, and also work in pain. These are also analgesic. So, causes of NSAID-induced gastritis is the regular use of NSAID. So, NSAID-induced gastritis is the uses or intake of regular NSAID, for example, aspirin, ibuprofen, and diclofenac. So the second one is stress-induced gastritis. What is the causes of stress-induced gastritis? Stress-induced gastritis are caused due to coma, hepatic injury, and head injury. These are the three major causes of stress-induced gastritis. The third one is H. pylori-induced gastritis, which are more common disease in our population. H. pylori-induced gastritis is causes due to a bacteria which is known as H. pylori. H. pylori is a bacteria which are acid resistant bacteria which grows in acidity environment. So this was the causes of gastritis according to types of gastritis according to causes. So the next one is a clinical features of gastritis is nausea or vomiting, and second one is heartburn. The patient will feel heartburn. The third one is pain epigastrum. Pain will should be felt by a patient in the region epigastric region. So the patient will have already blood and vomiting. Blood and vomiting, these conditions are called hematemesis. And also a clinical features, the last clinical feature of gastritis is blood in stool, which is also called melena. So these was the clinical features, and how we will investigate the gastritis. So, and also then we come to the treatment side. If you want to prevent gastritis, then you should be stopped NSAIDs, because NSAID is the major cause of gastritis. If you are not able to stop NSAIDs, then you should be taken capsule omeprazole OD once a day, and also H2 blockers like famotidine 40 mg once a day, and the injection ranitidine by a day, which given to unconscious patient to prevent induced stress induced